Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a little makeup look and review on the new Colourpop 9-pan palette Mint to Be. This is their mint colored palette. So I did do a poll on Instagram asking you guys if you wanted something just, you know, soft and bright or like a halo eye. And soft and bright won, which is good because today's Sunday and I'm getting ready, also getting ready for church, so I didn't want to do something like super crazy. So anyways, I already have my brows done, my eyes are primed, so we're just going to go ahead and jump into this. I am going to go ahead and insert a swatch picture of the palette, that way I don't have to do it all right now on my arm. So yeah, if you'd like to see a little look using this palette, then just keep watching. So here is an up-close look of the palette. It's really pretty. It's really different from anything that I have. So, excuse me, to start off, I think I'm going to take this Get Fresh shade. It's like this really light one. And I'm just going to pop this pretty much all over the lid. And you can see like it's pretty powdery. I'll show you if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell or not, but yeah. And again, this is always why I do my eyes before my makeup, especially when I'm working with a new palette. I never know if there's fallout or anything, what to expect. So I'd rather just play it safe. This is definitely showing up. Just a really light wash of color just to kind of get it started. I'm going to do what I typically do. I'm just going to do one eye at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and do this eye. Since I'm over here. All right, so once that is all over the lid, I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush, if I can find a clean one. I need to wash my brushes. And I'm gonna go into this one right below it. It's a little darker, called Seltzer. Now this one has shimmer in it. It's like a matte shimmer. I guess that's called like a sequin shade. I'm not exactly sure. And this is just gonna go in the crease. So you can kind of tell there's like a little bit of color here. If you can tell, I got a mint scrunchie to match my eye look today because I'm that extra. So I'm just doing something a little light and soft. This is probably gonna be a super easy look. All right, so next I'm gonna go back in with the first brush I used in that first shade and just kind of blend the edges of those two together ever so softly. And then I'm gonna pop a shimmer shade on the lid. So I think I'm gonna go with, after I have some coffee. I think I'm gonna go with this one, Mojito Mommy. This little soft one, let me see first. I haven't swatched any of these or anything. So, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, yeah, let's do that one. I'm gonna pop this on the lid. And the good thing is there hasn't, I take that back. Yeah, there's a little bit of fallout on my face from, I think, that darker shade. It's not bad, but again, I do recommend doing your eyes first. Make it easier. If you hear that downstairs, that is Lewis and William. They're downstairs chilling so I can film. So hopefully they're not too loud, distracting. They're just playing, hanging out till we leave for church. All right, so that's what we got going. I really like it. It's really soft and light. And of course, I'm going to add a wing. So I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna do up there with the shadow. So let me add a wing really quick. I have like 50 different eyeliners up here, so I'm just trying to pick which one I want to use. So I'm gonna pop a wing on. Okay, so that's definitely thicker than I was planning on, for sure. So now I am gonna go ahead and finish this eye. I'm gonna do my base makeup and then I'm gonna come back and do the waterline. I ended up getting this minty colored eyeliner also from Colourpop that I wanted to pop on the waterline. So I'll be back and we will do the rest of that. I'm probably gonna fix my hair too. And yeah, be right back. All right guys, I'm back. Eyes are both finished, face is finished. So now we're just gonna move on to the lower lash line. So I am actually gonna take this dark shade that we use and I'm gonna buff this around the lower lash line. Ever so softly. Okay, I just realized the color that I put on my lower lash line was the wrong color. I was supposed to go with seltzer, but I did ice cold, but we're just gonna keep going with it. All right, so that definitely took a turn darker than what I was intentionally gonna do. But next I'm gonna go on with this gel liner I got, and it's in the shade Zulu. So they did have like a bundle where you could get this, another liner, and the palette. But of course that showed up after I bought the palette, so I had to get these separately. Honestly, I don't even know if that's showing up. So that's what it's supposed to look like. But it's not looking like that on my line. All right, you guys, there you have it. That is the finished look on this palette, the Colourpop Meant to Be palette. I will scoot up and let you see a close-up of the colors. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm excited to try like other looks with it. I definitely want to try the halo eye with it. But yeah, that's what we got going on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not part of the family already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video on Mondays and Fridays. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.